Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th February 2026. The Reserve Bank of India on Friday announced a wide-ranging set of regulatory and policy measures aimed at improving customer protection, boosting financial inclusion, and easing the cost of doing business for banks, non-banking financial companies, and urban cooperative banks. The Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee announced to keep key rates unchanged at 5.25% in its final meeting of the financial year 26 cycle, while stance also retained at neutral. The government has lined up projects worth almost Rs 31,000 crore that will be funded mainly through its green bond proceeds in financial year 27, almost a third higher than the revised estimate for the current fiscal, signalling heightened focus on sustainable financing. The centre will decide the precise amount of the sovereign green bond float in financial year 2027 in March when it finalises its borrowing plan for the next fiscal, but usually the project pipeline is readied for such funding well before. Chennai is leading a massive southern surge while the traditional heavyweights of Mumbai and Pune face a cooling period. The gap between regions reached a record high in 2025 as buyer behavior turned more selective across the country. Chennai recorded a massive increase in demand, selling 24,892 units in 2025 compared to 16,044 units in 2024. This growth indicates a market that is fundamentally different from the cooling trends seen in North and West India. The city remained stable through the mid-year period before accelerating towards a record-breaking Q3, the report noted. Reliance Industries has bought 2 million barrels of Venezuelan oil from trader Vitol. This is Reliance Industries' first purchase from the Southern American nation in nearly a year. Reliance, which operates the world's biggest refining complex, has bought Venezuelan crude for April delivery at a discount of around $6.5 to $7 per barrel to ICE Brent. Consumer lending platform Fibe has partnered with Flipkart to offer buy now pay later financing on the e-commerce marketplace. Under the arrangement, Fibe's BNPL option is now available at Flipkart's checkout, allowing eligible customers to split purchases of up to Rs 1 lakh into equated monthly installments with repayment tenures ranging from 3 to 12 months. The Flipkart partnership marks Fibe's attempt to carve out a niche in consumer lending for e-commerce, a segment long dominated by banks through credit cards and larger non-bank lenders such as Bajaj Finance.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.